Hey guys, welcome to this comparison of the brand new Mercedes EQC versus the brand new Tesla Model X. So the brand new Mercedes EQC has an 80 kilowatt lithium-ion battery that produces 408 horsepower. It has a claimed range of 260 miles and a claimed miles per gallon of 30 kilowatt per 100 kilometers. It is the first Mercedes electric vehicle and everything starts off at £65,000. So there's a slight issue with the cruise control on this car because it's not very good at saving the battery and the cruise control varies. So it uses brakes and accelerates depending on your speed, so it does this automatically. But you can put the car in eco mode, which reduces the strain on the battery. But still, it's using more battery than if you were to have the car's cruise control off. So there are some modes that I need to go over. So eco being the most efficient mode of them all. Then there's comfort, which is balanced, which depends on the style of your driving. Then you have sport, which is a more firm and sporty suspension. Then you have individual, which is a more sporty version than sport. So next we're going to go over specifications of the Tesla Model X, which is its competitor of the Mercedes EQC. So this is the brand new 2022 Model X. So the 0 to 60 is just under 2.5 seconds, the quarter mile is just under 10 seconds, and it has a whopping 1020 horsepower with an estimated range of 350 miles. So this all starts off from £75,000, but it can vary depending on the trim and model that you go for. So the higher the trim, the more expensive it's going to be, depending on additional packages and extras. So it has a high infotainment system, which is high-tech and is really responsive. It has a portrait screen, so it's just like your tablet, and it has good performance that is unbeatable when you step on the pedal. It has easy access to the rear seats, so even tall adults will be able to sit in the rear of this car really comfortably. It has various little menus, just like a tablet, and it is a little firm when going over bumps. But the only disadvantage is that conventional SUVs are cheaper, so such as the Audi Q7, Audi Q5 and BMW X5. So there is quality lacking in some areas, so when you get down to the bottom like Morgan's, then it is lacking in quality, but it is an expensive car, so you wouldn't really expect to have this sort of problem. But it does have autopilot, which not many cars have done or have started. Some have started it, but it's not as advanced as this Tesla. So it has enough space for all adults, and it has a minimalist and simple interior for anyone to use. All the air vents are integrated into the sweeping dashboard and is good for the weekly shop. So for daily use, it's a brilliant car if you have a large family and you need maybe a third row for small children. But you can put that row for an additional 2 seats, so maybe you can use it for storage, and you can put the third row down by pressing a hidden button, which is by the headrest. So there's a 5 version, 6 and 7 seat version available. It's fast and packed with safety features, but other SUVs are more comfortable than this Model X. But it does have better suspension, so it is a really advanced car, and I think this is why it wins over the Mercedes EQC. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.